Top 5 common mistakes people make when buying LED lights. Think all LED lights are the same? Think again. In this video, we'll uncover 5 common mistakes people make when buying LED lights and how to avoid them. Confusing watts with brightness, lumens, mistake. People often assume higher wattage equals more brightness, just like old incandescent bulbs. But with LEDs, wattage only tells you power consumption, not brightness. Why it matters: LEDs are far more efficient. For example, a 10-watt LED can be as bright as a 60-watt incandescent bulb. The true measure of brightness is lumens. Pro tip: always check the lumen rating on the packaging. If you want a bright LED for a living room, aim for 800 to 1600 lumens per fixture. Choosing the wrong color temperature, Kelvin. Mistakes. Buyers don't understand color temperature, leading to rooms that feel too cold, bluish, or too dim, yellow. Why it matters. The Kelvin K scale defines how warm or cool the light looks. 2700 K to 3000 K equals warm white, cozy yellowish light. Great for bedrooms, living rooms. 4000 K to 4500 K equals neutral white, ideal for kitchens, offices. 6000 K to 6500 K equals cool daylight, bright, bluish, great for garages or task lighting. Pro tip: match lighting temperature to the mood and function of the space. Use warmer tones for relaxing areas and cooler tones where clarity is needed. Ignoring beam angle and light spread. Mistake. People buy lights without considering the beam angle, so their room looks uneven, either too focused or too scattered. Why it matters. Narrow beam, 15 to 40 degrees. Focused light, great for spotlights, art lighting, or task lighting. Wide beam, 90 to 120 degrees. Covers more area, ideal for general room lighting. Pro tip: for ambient lighting, use wide beam angles. For product displays or specific zones, go for narrow beams. Buying cheap or unbranded LEDs. Trying to save money, many buyers go for unknown or ultra-cheap brands online or in markets. Why it matters. Low-quality LEDs may flicker, causes eye strain, fail early, poor soldering or chip quality, be unsafe, overheat, poor insulation, give poor color accuracy, low CRI. Pro tip: always buy from reputable brands or vendors with certifications like CE, RoHS, BIS, or UL. You get better lifespan, color accuracy, and safety. Ignoring the CRI mistakes. Most people don't even look at CRI when buying lights. Why it matters. CRI measures how accurately a light shows colors compared to natural sunlight, scale of 0 to 100. A CRI above 80 is good. 90 plus is excellent. Important for showrooms, kitchens, bathrooms, clothing stores, photography, video setups. Pro tip: use high CRI LEDs in areas where color clarity matters. Low CRI lights may make food, clothes, or decor look dull or off-color.